Growing Vegetables in the Backyard, Garden Series Part 2. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to Garden Tour Part 2, and today I'm just gonna show you guys. It's gonna be a quick tour today. Not much has changed in the garden. Just a few things have changed in the garden from Part 1, so just gonna go through quickly with you guys, show you guys what we're doing in the garden. Let's go. So here in the garden, the main thing that I've done in the garden is set up these three raised beds over here, and these 3 raised beds are gonna help ensure that I have a much better production in this area over here. And also I already planted in this containers over here. So I planted some potatoes in this container over here. If you guys want to check out the video, I'll put the link in the description below. These potatoes, I planted potatoes in all these containers over here. So I'm making this section of the garden right now my potato patch, and mostly in containers. The reason why I'm growing potatoes in containers this year is in the past we've grown them in the garden, and sometimes we forget a lot of them in the garden, and especially when the leaves die off, the stem die off, we can't find it. Only find out when we're tilling the garden the next year. So I'm trying to see if we can grow most of my potatoes, at least I'll say more than 50% of my potatoes in these containers over here, and then we'll see how it goes this year. So stay tuned for that. So also I did this raised beds over here. If you haven't seen the video, check out my video where I spent less than $25 to do this raised bed right here. Same with that one over there. And I also spent less than $25 to fill it up with everything that I need. So check out those videos. I'll see if I can put the link to those videos in the description. Look for the videos in my video selections. So so this one is a smaller raised bed over here. This one we're gonna plant some vegetables. Same with these over here. And so we haven't planted anything on them yet because of the temperature, but I think with the next couple of days we're gonna be able to plant in this raised beds right here, and then we can start thinking about walking in the garden and doing other stuff. So we have the rest of the garden over here. We haven't done anything on the rest of the garden. This other fabric raised bed is great, is ready to go. Since we covered it last year with all these leaves and stuff like that, it maintains the moisture and maintains the quality of the. So what we're just gonna do is amend it a little bit with some organic fertilizer, and then we are ready to plant in this one. So I'll say 1/4 of the garden is ready to go. It's ready to be planted and ready to go. So we're gonna start doing that hopefully within the next couple of days. Also, I was able to get wood chips. I was able to get wood chips for free to fill up the spaces between the raised beds. That would prevent weeds and maintain the moisture in the soil, and also break down over time. So it's awesome. So if you want to find out more about the wood chips, check out my video on how to get wood chips for free. So also over here I have some containers. I replaced some of the containers over here, and I planted some stuff already. Over here on this side of the greenhouse right here, I made some containers this year, and this time I used half gallon, like 30-gallon containers. So over here I have lettuce, planted some lettuce over here. Here in this 2 containers over here, I planted some huckleberries. Huckleberries are gonna be they already transplanted them from the greenhouse, so they're already good, ready to go. Hopefully we're gonna be able to start harvesting some within a couple of weeks, and then maybe later on I can transition one of the containers to something else like the kang or water leaf And this one over here, this is a salad mix that we planted over here. It's also great. It's good, ready to go. Over here we have our onions that I'm trying it this year using the crates like this to grow onions. So I planted some onions. So check out those videos also. I'll see if I can put the link to those videos in the description below. So over here we have our regular kale. You see, the last video, the kales were coming out. They were looking great. These ones like I said last time, in the winter they stay dormant, and in the spring like this they pop out and they start producing a lot of leaves. So very soon we're gonna be able to harvest these and be able to start getting some kale from the garden. This variety looks like they are already trying to produce some seeds and flowers and stuff. So that is it for nothing has changed in the rest of the garden over here. As you can see, not much has changed. Hopefully we're gonna be able to start tilling the garden next week. So hopefully the next video there will be some changes in here. We have to till the garden and then we have to start planting. I don't think we have any chance of frost again the next couple of weeks. I hope not, but at least we're not gonna plant until next week. Once we do that, I think we should be in good condition over here. So over here our strawberries are coming along great. Some of them started producing flowers already, so hopefully very soon we're gonna start getting some strawberries and start eating some strawberries. So that was just a quick video just to show you guys what's going on in the garden. Okay, and that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.